Good morning to everyone. Photoelectric effect. So Einstein photoelectric equation is H nu is equal to W plus half m V maximum square. Here H nu is equal to energy of the incident photon. W is equal to H nu naught work function. The value of work function depends only on nature of the material, nature of the surface of material. Half m V maximum square is equal to kinetic energy of photoelectrons, maximum Ke of photoelectrons emitted from the metallic surface. So here I will explain some problems based on Einstein theory of photoelectric equation. So here it is an example 1. Example 1. Suppose a light photon of energy 1 electron volt, and second one H nu 2 is equal to 2.5 electron volts respectively. They are made to incident on a metallic plate of work function W is equal to 0.5 electron volt. These are the two photons. Energy of the first photon H nu 1 is equal to 1 electron volt. For second photon H nu 2 is equal to 2.5 electron volts. These two are made to incident on the photometal having work function 0.5 electron volts, one after the other. What is the ratio of the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons emitted by them is? Means ratio of the kinetic energies Ke1 by Ke2 is equal. What is this value? So according to Einstein photoelectric equation, maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron is given by, from this equation, half m V maximum square is equal to Ke maximum. That should be equal to H nu minus W. Now K1 by K2 is equal to H nu 1 minus W by H nu 2 minus W. Again H nu 1 is equal to energy of the first photon is equal to 1 electron volts minus W. Also here W is 0.5. W is equal to 0.5 by H nu 2 is equal to 2.5 minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5 by 2.5 minus 0.5 means 2. That is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the ratio of the kinetic energy emitted by the photo surfaces K1 is to K2 is equal to 1 is to 4. Next one, second example is example 2. Suppose the threshold frequency for a metal is given by nu naught is equal to 10 to the power 5 hertz. Nu naught is equal to 10 power 5 hertz. When a light of wavelength lambda is equal to 4000 angstrom units is made to incident on it, then find the photoelectric current. Right? What is the given data? Threshold frequency nu naught is equal to 10 power 5 hertz. Lambda is equal to 4000 angstrom units. It is a light made to incident on the photometal. Light is incident on the photometal. Find the photoelectric current means I is equal to Q by T. First of all, we will check whether photoelectrons are emitted or not. So from this, let us find the frequency of the incident photon. Frequency of the incident photon is equal to C by lambda, because C is equal to nu lambda. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by lambda is equal to 4000 into 10 to the power minus 10. It is 7.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay, na? So frequency of the incident photon is 7.5 into 10 power 14 hertz. Threshold frequency is equal to 10 to the power 15. 10 to the power 15. Right? Here, what is the relation between nu and nu naught? Compulsory here nu value less than nu naught. nu naught is 10 power 15, nu is equal to 10 power 14 only. So nu is less than nu naught. That's why photoelectric emission is not possible. That means photoelectric current in this situation I is equal to 0. Right? Okay. Next one more example. Suppose in the experiment of photoelectric effect, stopping potentials corresponding to wavelengths lambda 1 is equal to 4000 angstrom units, lambda 2 is equal to 4500 angstrom units are obtained as V01 is equal to 1.3 volts, V02 is equal to 0.9 volts. Find the value of work function of the photometal. Okay, na? Given lambda 1 4000 angstrom units, lambda 2 is equal to 4500 angstrom units. These are made to instant at stopping potential V01 is equal to 1.3, V02 is equal to 0.9. Then what is the value of work function of the surface? So let us find out. Energy of the incident photon h nu 1 is equal to Hc by lambda 1. It is 12,400 by lambda 1 in angstrom units. That is equal to 12,400 by lambda 1 is equal to 4,000. That is, it is 3.1 electron volt. Similarly, energy of the second photon h nu 2 is equal to 12,400 by lambda 2 in angstrom units. That is equal to 12,400 by lambda 2 is 4,500 angstrom units. And it is nearly 2.75 electron volts on solving it. Again, at stopping potential, V0, half m V maximum square is equal to EV0. Half m V maximum square is equal to EV0. From Einstein photoelectric equation, half m V maximum square is equal to h nu minus w is equal to EV0. So it is given that h nu 1 minus w by h nu 2 minus w is equal to V01 by V02. E and E cancel. H nu 1 is equal to, what is this value? 3.1 electron volts. 3.1 minus w by h nu 2 is equal to 2.75. 2.75 minus w is equal to V01 is equal to 1.3 by V02 is equal to 0.9. Right? So on solving this equation, work function is found to be 2.3 electron volts. So this is the given data. Right? Okay. Next one, another example. Example 5. Suppose the threshold frequency of certain metal is nu naught. When a frequency of incident radiation is 2 nu naught, the maximum velocity of the photoelectrons is found to be, here nu naught is equal to threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Suppose a light of frequency 2 nu naught is incident on the surface of the photometal. Maximum velocity of the photoelectrons is found to be V1 is equal to 3 into 10 power 6 meter per second. If the frequency of radiation is increased to 10 nu naught, what is the value of maximum velocity corresponding to the photoelectrons? Right? So from the same photoelectric equation, half m V maximum square is equal to h nu minus w. W is also equal to h nu naught. In the first case, half m v1 square is equal to h into frequency of the incident photon is 2 nu naught. 2 nu naught minus h nu naught. That is equal to 2h nu naught minus h nu naught means h nu naught. In the second case, half m v2 square is equal to h into frequency of the incident photon is 10 nu naught minus h nu naught. That is equal to 9h nu naught. On dividing these two equations, half m v1 square by half m v2 square is equal to h nu naught by 9h nu naught. Cancel होते v1 square by v2 square is equal to 1 by 9. v2 square is equal to 9 into v1 square, or v2 is equal to 3v1. 3 into v1 is given by 3 into 10 power 6. So that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. This is the maximum velocity of photoelectron in the second case. Right? Okay. Next one, another example is, one more example. Suppose when a metal surface is illuminated by a light of wavelength 400 nanometers and again 250 nanometers, the maximum velocities of the photoelectrons ejected are found to be v1 is equal to v in the first case, and in the second case v2 is equal to 2v respectively. Then what is the value of work function of this photometal? Lambda 1 is equal to 4000 angstrom units, at which maximum velocity of photoelectrons is equal to v. For lambda 2, maximum velocity is equal to 2v. Find the value of work function of the photometal. Again, energy of the incident photon in the first case is equal to hc by lambda 1, that is 12,400 by lambda 1, that is 12,400 by lambda 1 must be taken in angstrom units. What is this value? 400 nanometers. Nano means 10 power minus 9. Angstrom units aithe 4000 angstrom units. So this is 4000. It is 3.1 electron volt. Next again, energy of the incident second photon, this is hc by lambda 2, 12,400 by lambda 2, that is equal to 12,400 by lambda 2 is equal to 250 nanometers or 2500 angstrom units. It is 4.96 electron volts. Therefore, kinetic energy of the photoelectron, half m v maximum square is equal to h nu minus w. In the first case, half m v1 square is equal to energy of the incident photon is equal to 3.1 electron volts, 3.1 minus w. And in the second case, half m v2 square is equal to, what is this value? 4.96 minus w. Dividing these two equations, v1 square by v2 square is equal to 3.1 minus w by 4.96 minus w. But what is the value of v1? v1 is equal to v and v2 is equal to 2v. v square by 4v square. v square cancel. So 1 by 4 is equal to 3.1 minus w by 4.96 minus w. Cross multiplying these two, 4.96 minus w is equal to 12.4 minus 3w. 4w. On solving it, 3w is equal to 7.44 and w is equal to 2.48 electron volts. This is the work function of the photometal. Right? Okay. One more example is there. Suppose the light photons of energy is 1 electron volt and 2.5 electron volt respectively. They are made to instant on the metal whose work function W is equal to 0.5 electron volts. Sorry, it is repeated question.